Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Face ID is not working on iOS 18.3. So let's get started. So the first one, if you're having the trouble with the Face ID, just follow these instructions. Go over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to Face ID and passcode. Give your respective passcode to your Face ID over here on the phone. And now you have to scroll down and you'll be having an option to reset the Face ID. So you have to try for resetting the Face ID. But you'll be getting a message like, do not stolen device protection to reset Face ID, or Face ID cannot be reset while stolen device protection is on. So if you check over here at the bottom, you can see the stolen device protection is on. So if you try to turn off the stolen device protection, it will be asking for your Face ID. So if you go over here and you try to turn off this one, they're going to ask you for the Face ID. And you have to keep in mind, every single time when you try to give the Face ID, sometimes it will not be get detected. So not be able to turn off the stolen device protection, which result you will not be able to reset the Face ID. So what you need to do is, you just need to take a complete backup of your iPhone, either connecting to a PC or to the Mac. Once you take a complete backup of your iPhone, you just need to erase your complete iPhone. You have to do a complete factory reset, or you have to completely erase it. Once afterwards, you have to connect it back and you have to do like a fresh start. Means you have to connect back to the iPhone, you have to get all the data back, and you have to set your iPhone once again, which will be asking for the Face ID to set up, where you can set up the Face ID. This is what you have to do. And there is no other options apart from this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the like button. See you soon next video. Bye.